Welcome to Day 9. Yesterday was about anger, the judgments underneath it, and the hidden assumptions that keep it running. Today is about the people who tend to trigger those judgments most reliably, the ones you'd describe as difficult. Marcus Aurelius comes back to this subject more than almost any other in the Meditations, and his approach to it is both generous and completely unsentimental. People who behave badly, he writes, do so out of ignorance. They don't know better, or they're trapped in their own fears and desires and confusions. And the behavior you're seeing is a product of all of that, rather than of some deliberate decision to make your life harder. They're not doing it to you. They're doing it because of who they are right now. And that's a meaningful difference, even if the end result is the same. Because as long as you believe someone's behavior is directed at you personally, it occupies your mind in a way that goes far beyond the original encounter. You replay the interaction. You compose responses you'll never send. You build a case for why they're wrong. You recruit other people to your side. And all of it consumes time and mental energy that you could be spending on something that actually matters to you. The difficult person, meanwhile, has probably moved on and forgotten the whole thing, and you're still carrying it around like luggage you didn't pack and don't want but can't seem to put down. Marcus Aurelius's approach is essentially this. Try to understand why they are the way they are. Decide how you're going to respond to them going forward, and then let it go. The understanding is not forgiveness. You don't have to forgive anyone, and the Stoics never asked you to. The understanding is tactical. When you see what drives someone's behavior, and it's almost always either fear or deficiency, fear of being exposed, fear of losing status, fear of not being enough, or simply a lack of the skills and emotional capacity that the situation requires, then the behavior stops feeling personal. You see the mechanism behind it, and once you see the mechanism, it loses its grip on you. So the exercise today is this. Think of one person who is consistently difficult in your life, at work, in your family, wherever they show up. And instead of describing what they do wrong, which you've probably done many times already, write one sentence describing what you think they fear or what they lack. What's underneath the behavior? What would a person need to be afraid of, or what would they need to be missing in order to act the way this person acts? You're not doing this for their benefit. You're doing it because the moment you understand the mechanism, you stop being controlled by it. They can keep doing what they do, but it stops living rent-free inside your head. And that's the only real estate you should care about. Tonight, read this line by Marcus Aurelius. I have seen the beauty of good and the ugliness of evil, and have recognized that the wrongdoer has a nature related to my own. Do your evening review, and I'll see you tomorrow.